viewers, we're getting information right now that the main accused in yesterday's hit and run case of K. William Koso has been arrested by the Dimapur Traffic Police at just less than 12 hours after a suo motu case was registered at Mukaddima Traffic Police Station. Now, we have also gotten information that this accused is a non-local who is a permanent resident of Moregaon in Assam, but he is also temporarily residing at Burma camp with his family. Now he was on the run, and the timely intervention and the nitty-gritty of it all that the Dimapur Traffic Police has managed to succeed in finding out, especially because particular document, as we have been informed by a reliable source, is that a document was found in the Bolero, the accused, his Bolero, when he had hit the Thar. Thar belonged to the victim, K. William Koso, a very reputed football coach from Nagaland. Now, this particular document is what led to the traffic police, the Dimapur Traffic Police, in apprehending and arresting this accused. Now, more details are awaited from the Commissioner of Police. A press release is supposed to be issued, and we're waiting for that details right now. There are certain protocols that need to be followed before it is officially released into the public domain. But then like mentioned earlier, this person has been arrested when he fled Dimapur, but the timely intervention and swift action of Dimapur Police, they have managed to arrest the accused. Now, as also mentioned, the proximity of the crime is not known yet, but then what we know right now is that the post-mortem, also there are results that have been out, and the cause of death is yet to be found out from the officials. But then since it was conducted yesterday and body was already handed over yesterday, but then we would also like to congratulate the Dimapur Police for swinging swiftly into action in regard to this case and apprehending the accused. We're going to wait for more details. Esther here with camera person Tanjan for Nagaland News Network.